friends, and welcome to your video. I'm Crystal Bashir, an artist and illustrator. We're going to be learning lots of different things today. We're going to learn how to paint a bee just on white paper. We're also going to learn how to draw the bee in great detail. And finally, you'll learn how to draw the bee and the flower and fill it in with paint. You can take this as far as you want. You can paint just the bee. You could paint the bee and the flower, and you can either include this blurry background or just leave it on white paper. It's totally up to you. As with all my videos, you're going to get an ebook that contains my palette setup, reference images, even an easy image to sketch or trace. Join me for this beginner-friendly lesson.